Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Getting ready to head into the Disney Character Warehouse right here, Orlando. Premium Outlets, Medling Road. Come on in, check it out. Wow, I always like to show the queue because today it is a very long queue. This is one of the longest queues I've seen in quite a while, and it's when I pulled in the parking lot, I didn't even have to park across the street. Parking lot was wide open, but such a demand still for the Disney merch. And then, of course, here is Roberta today, who will be joining us on the vlog. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. We'll see you on the inside. We'll let you know how long it takes. So, guys, 19 minutes from where we started to get in. So, 19 minutes today. Roberta, I think, has run all the way to the pins. She did this last time I came with her. But we're both going to work together and show you some of the merch here that you're going to be able to find, and we do often update this, so please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. We update, we usually don't go more than 10 to 12, 13 days, and we always keep coming back, and we'll keep you updated with all the different merch you can find here at Disney's Character Warehouse, all official Disney World, cruise line, resorts, even some Disneyland merch you can find. Let's see what we got. So Roberta has informed me there are no pins today. No pins, Roberta?
No pins.
But we do have some jewelry. I'll show you while we're here. The Run Disney line, $4.99. Run Disney's not always easy to find either. Usually you have to be over at the ESPN area for an event to find the Run Disney. What do we got here? Just some different random jewelry. But no pins. So pins are hit and miss. Just the last time we were here, which is a little over a week ago. Although this, I thought maybe that was for pins.
Yeah, that's for the bag.
Oh, that's for a bag.
Yeah, the pins bag. Yeah.
For the pins bag, okay. So, but no pins. And finally, those readers are gone if you've been following. Oh, no, they're not. I got to show you the readers. They're over here. These readers have been here for ever. Right here, these ones. They're $7.99. They've been here for months and months and months. All right, let's have a look around. Let's see what else we can find. I'm seeing this. There's no way this can be accurate. You can find food here, but there's no way it's $5.99. It's just a little Mickey snack. It's like Rice Krispie Mickey snack. $5.99? No way. Can't be. Can't be. All right, but this can be for sure. $40. The Run Disney Loungefly. What do we have over here, Roberta? We're just going to kind of, just to show you where we are, here's where you would check out. So we're kind of starting in this corner this time, and we'll work our way around.
It's been here for a while.
This has been here a while, yes.
35.
35. With different pockets there.
Body, yeah.
The Run Disney. Almost like a little, you could attach it.
Same thing, yeah, crossbody.
And how much is the Run Disney? I like the colors of it.
30.
It's very cool. 30.
30. 65.
Just going to glance through here, guys, just to show you if you are a fan of Star Wars. Be able to pick up these are 25. Actually, we have some of these, don't we, Roberta, at home?
$60. Now it's 45. It's not big of a discount.
No. This has been here for a while too. So yeah, lots of Star Wars, guys. 75 there for the mask, the helmet. R2-D2, 75. To show you. 75 again there. 25 for this one. Yeah, tons of Star Wars. And this Loungefly, guys, again, I always highlight, it's been here for several months, I think, at this point. $40. Official Loungefly. So guys, if you're new to the channel, sometimes when there's a repeat, I will show the repeat, but I'll kind of quickly go through, and then you can just check the most recent vlog behind this one. Lots of Run Disney. This was all here last time. I do want to highlight this Toy Story jacket here, Roberta.
Like a rain jacket.
Oh, it is. It's pretty nice.
25 down from 60.
This is what the front looks like, Roberta. I can show it. Oh, you can do it that way. There was one hanging below it. Actually, this is nice for the rain. Yeah, 25. And these long sleevers, I did end up purchasing one last time, finally.
15.
They've been here for quite a while. How much, Roberta?
So
20.
this one is 15.
Yeah, different colors at different prices, which is weird. I think I got the blue one. Yeah, how much is the blue one? I got the blue one. I think it was 15 probably. That's probably why I bought it. So they have several colors.
It doesn't have the price.
I believe it was 15 though. Hats, you're gonna always find hats. Actually, the Winnie the Pooh I did not notice last time. $8. Hats are, look like from 8 to 10. Here's some that are 3. Here's some that are 4. So all different prices on the hats, and they usually will have some hats, and they do switch out the hats. But point I'm getting at is just all along this wall here I'm showing you, mostly going to be all different clothing. Bucket hat, Roberta?
Yeah. Well, it's not bad.
$4.
Yeah.
Not too bad. And then they have some of the Tron. 8. Tron stuff's been here a little bit of time, but I didn't notice this one last time. I'm not the RAM cycle. I don't know if it's a RAM cycle, if that's an acronym. I'm
25 down from 70.
that familiar. I'm familiar with the ride because I enjoy the ride.
This is probably the old collection. The new one's coming out as a new movie.
That's true, Roberta. As Roberta just stated there, the new movie coming out, so they're moving some of this older. 15. It's very lightweight. It's almost like a plastic, though. I don't really... Oh, it's interactive. It's got like a battery. I don't know exactly. It must light up. Possibly. Anyway, it's 15. Does this light up, Roberta? It looks like there's a... Hit the button on the bottom there. See what it does.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it lights up. It's not the greatest. I found it to be... This one... It's a heavy... Oh, it's got like the cycles on the top. 13. I'm going to go on record and say it's the first time I've ever seen a Coca-Cola product in here. Of course, Coke is a sponsor of Disney, and they have their own store.
$30 down from
And
60.
how much?
30 down from 60.
It's nice. It's a hoodie. It's got the Coca-Cola bottles on the front. Oh, look at it in the hood. You're a fan of Coke. They do have a big Coca-Cola store, Disney Springs, also Epcot. You can get a lot of Coke there.
I've been putting those on the bottom. All the small sizes.
What's the name of that place there at Epcot? My mind's where you can get the with the little sodas.
Thank you.
I can't even remember. That's bad. I haven't
$20
been.
down from 35.
You guys know what I'm talking about, though. You can get Beverly. And let me know how much you like it.
85.
Haley Hansen. How much?
85.
85. Nice long rain jacket.
Yeah.
And originally, Roberta, do you know?
Doesn't show. Let me see.
It's a nice jacket.
190.
Wow. And there's some more here I want to show you. Because I usually can't find some of this here.
This one is 75 down from
This is
150.
like this one's more just like a fleece. Another raincoat, the white
Yeah.
raincoat there. This one's nice. Beautiful.
85.
85 just to show you.
I don't know if it has any hard parts on it.
Very, very nice. Got the pockets. It's like the zippers on the pockets.
Winter hat.
It's like a 3/4 length too, so that'll keep you nice and dry. And good price. And they have a winter hat for 20. I did highlight this one last time. A lot of repeats this time. This I did not see last time. The Yeti
35.
from Animal Kingdom. Oh, it's cool.
35 down from 75.
Wow, nice deals. It's got Yeti skiing. That one's cool. Oh, and we have, because there is a new Yeti collection out right now at Animal Kingdom, so they have moved this older one. No price on a mug. Usually $7.99 though for mugs. So now all the way at the back wall, but this has been here. This same, again, been here for quite a while. Show you the Loungefly though, just so you can get an idea. Captain American Loungefly is normally $90. You can get it for $45. I do like to highlight the Loungeflies. Roberta,
Yeah.
lots of repeats.
A lot.
And then, of course, here you're going to find a lot more clothing. Too much to go through. Although I will tell you, I do have this Disney shirt. So it is worth coming here because you can see as I'm going through some of the things I have actually purchased here.
13.
And it's 13. I will say it is kind of a thicker t-shirt. Even in the summer, I was getting kind of warm in it. But it is a nice t-shirt. I like the color of it. If you're a fan of Lion King, you can get a puzzle, Roberta. 500-piece puzzle. Actually, very nice looking puzzle.
That's their 30th anniversary.
30th anniversary puzzle.
Down from 40.
$40. So it's a collectible, and now you can get it for 15. And we have a throw.
Yeah. 25 down from 70.
Wow. Very nice. Let me see the material on it. Not very thick though. More of a just kind of a throw. So who's excited for the new movie coming out? Mandalorian and Grogu coming out 2026. And you can get a Grogu, I think it's a bubble wand, I would think.
Yeah.
I'm excited
Glow
for the
wand
movie.
is a glow wand.
A glow wand. Okay, so no bubbles, just glow. Yeah, no bubbles. Strange.
Yeah.
So
13.
just glows, I guess. Oh, and of course, Roberta, who calls Grogu baby
Yoda.
which is totally incorrect. But maybe, we're going to find out some more information, hopefully, in the movie. I'm really looking forward to another Star Wars movie. Love Star Wars, grew up with it, of course. Gen X, my age. Remember watching it just as a kid, the first one that came out back in the 70s, and have loved it ever since. Okay, this is fun. Let's play games. So I guess it's supposed to be Minnie, right? And Mickey on the other side. But it looked like a glove, like an oven mitt. So I guess it's just one you would use like this. It does have grip on it, but it's just weird. It almost looks like it should be a mitt. But I guess you would just kind of use it like this. I don't know. Somebody let me know. I guess it's just one of those kind, not a mitt. A grabber, an oven grabber.
Australia made it here.
Australia. We got stuff from Australia. I told you you can get cruise line stuff.
$8.
$8. Just to show you though, I just want to show you there are ornaments. Got a little serving tray here, Roberta. Mickey. That's been here a while too, this stuff.
Bruno.
Yeah. Roberta, the first thing, $15, she says. The poison apple, Roberta, the evil queen's apple here. It does light up. 15. I'm going to go on record and say there's not a lot of new stuff this week. And it's been a good 10 days. Not much has moved. Some, the evil queen apple there has moved. This is, I never noticed. It's cool. It's got Sally right there on the inside.
25.
Oh, yeah. 25, like a rain jacket. Another rain jacket. As coming into the drier part of the year now, as summer is kind of ending, you can see they're starting to move out even rain jackets, just to give you an idea of how things move around. Not necessarily always something old. Could be seasonal. Could be, you know, Halloween. Christmas is over, comes in. Although Halloween, I mean, not technically Halloween, but lots of Haunted Mansion merch. As you can see, there's no Mickey's Not So Scary merch here yet. There will be, though. I can promise you there will be some. Well, I can't promise anything, but I can almost guarantee right after the party you will be able to find Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween merch here. This has been here a while. I don't have a lot to update. I'm disappointed with the Character Warehouse.
Like the snacks there?
Hang on, Roberta, go ahead.
The snacks here?
$6 for a snack? That's almost more than the store. What do we got here, though? I have not seen this before. It's like a tank top.
$8.
$8. A world of magic and imagination. Disney World, welcome everybody. Never seen that. Got a couple plushes here.
Oh, that's cute.
That's from Epcot.
Yeah.
Looks like UK, maybe. And a Mickey, $10. Yeah, so this is all from Epcot World Showcase. You can see there, United Kingdom there. Yeah, more Minnie. I have this jersey, which is pretty cool. It's a princess jersey. If you can see, you can probably guess which one it's from there. Moana. And The only one, I think Moana is the only one here. Oh, there is something on the sleeve too. Oh, that's cool on the sleeve.
It's 35 down from 75.
So, yeah, 35 down from 75.
So,
Roberta,
yeah.
what else?
They do have some snacks. But
The snacks seem a little bit overpriced usually.
$3.80 for snacks?
You see this one, $3.80. I don't know what's going on. There's actually quite a few snacks. This lollipop's been here forever and it's still 99 cents.
$7.50 still for lollipops?
$7.50. Boy, prices have gone up here, Roberta. This one, $3. It's just like a taffy or something.
This one has been here for a while.
$3. I don't know what's going on with the snacks. Cocoa ears. I think I showed them last time. $10. $10 for the ears. So you can get a good price on the ears. So this cocoa collection, guys, I did show last time. If you're interested, you can check out the last vlog. All this was here last time, including the coasters. So you gotta understand something. If you don't come here a lot, it's always going to be new when you come. Say you're here on a vacation, you haven't been here, it's your first time ever, or you haven't been here in 4 or 5 months or a year. When you come in, everything here is going to be new to you. When I'm saying, oh, this has been here, I can't believe how long it's been here. It's more for vlogging purposes. When I come back, usually, even over a 10-day period, there's a lot more newer things than this. There will be merch, and just kind of giving you an explanation how it works. There will be merch that holds over. Always, right, Roberta? There's always merch that holds over, but this time, not a lot of new things. Usually over a 10-day period, you would have a lot of new things. Like no lounge flies. I got a good feeling that the next time I come in here, there's going to be a lot of new stuff.
But also at the same time, if the things are not moving, that means the price is still high for our price.
I think some of it, well, the food is, lounge flies are good. Just the food, everything else is definitely really good.
But other stuff are like, they're not, some stuff like they were sort of toys, they're not getting even 50% off.
No, the toys, and that's why they're still here.
Yeah.
But guys, that's pretty much your update. There's nothing else I can really update you on.
Yeah.
I just said, Roberta, I recommend going back and checking our last vlog here because I don't think anything's gone, really, since the last time.
Very few things.
A couple new things that we did highlight for you guys, so please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. We keep it real on our channel. I'm not going to come in here and act like, oh, wow, look at this. I just tell you the way it is. And the reality is, if you've been here in the last week or so, there's not a lot that's changed. If you're coming in and you've been months, it's always going to be new. So please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!